Modern society suffers from a dangerous illusion, the belief that all opinions are equally valuable. Under the banner of a distorted interpretation of democracy and equality, we have weakened the cognitive hierarchies that helped drive human civilization for centuries. In the past, authority was often earned through decades of difficult work, sacrifice, study, and the successful resolution of complex problems. Today, thanks to the democratization of information and digital platforms, the opinion of someone who has spent 5 minutes reading headlines can be presented alongside the opinion of an expert who has devoted an entire lifetime to understanding a subject. Many would argue that this is not progress, but a victory of superficiality over depth. When a society abandons the concept of expertise and earned authority, it does not necessarily become freer. Instead, it risks becoming increasingly influenced by those who are the loudest, most persuasive, or most skilled at attracting attention. Without clear respect for knowledge, discipline, and competence, younger generations may lose motivation to engage in deep learning or sustained intellectual effort. If every opinion is assumed to be equally informed regardless of evidence, experience, or understanding, then years of study, concentration, and cognitive development can begin to appear unnecessary. In such an environment, excellence may no longer be celebrated as an achievement, but viewed with suspicion or resentment by those who feel challenged by it. A culture that struggles to distinguish between expertise and ignorance risks slowing its own progress. Knowledge advances when ideas are tested, evidence is examined, and competence is recognized. Without those standards, public discourse can become dominated by confidence rather than understanding, popularity rather than accuracy, and certainty rather than wisdom. The challenge, therefore, is not to reject equality of human worth. Every person deserves equal dignity and respect. The challenge is recognizing that equal human value does not automatically mean equal expertise, equal knowledge, or equal insight on every subject. A society that forgets this distinction may eventually find itself struggling to move forward